Okay. My name is Melissa. I'm from Colorado in the United States. I'm an ATV tour guide, so I'm, in hospitality. And outside of that, I am a musician.
Oh my God.
I've always had like really tiny teeth and ones that were misshapen and discolored. So since I was probably about maybe 10 or 11, maybe even younger, I noticed that and I wanted to make a change. And yesterday actually was my 25th birthday. So as a present to myself, I decided to kind of go abroad and get the work done. And I spoke to Wesley with Apollo Medical Travel, and he helped me find the best clinic for me and brought me to OG Center, which has turned out really well. A lot better, a lot better. If I had done the work that I had done here in another country that I was considering to do like dental tourism in, it would have been more. If I had done it in the States, it would have been exponentially more. So I think here, my total price for my full smile makeover, I did, liposuction, I had a wisdom tooth removed, all of that, I think I spent 8,500 USD. If I had done that in the States, it probably would have been north of 60,000 USD. They're actually both fantastic. Dr. Guzman spoke a little bit more English, so I was able to understand him just a little bit better. They're both incredibly sweet. They were fantastic together. So everybody made me feel very comfortable. They were very quick. And they did everything really, really well. Especially like they gave me periodic breaks to make sure that, I was doing okay, that everything felt okay, and that I knew, where we were going next and all that stuff. I guess if you're having reservations or if you're thinking about it, do it. There's no better place, and if you choose to do something like this and you go to a location like Costa Rica, like while I was here, I was able to do so much exploring, it was a vacation while also getting the work done that I had been wanting for so long. So I think I couldn't have done it any better if I had designed it myself, and the team here was just phenomenal. So yeah, I recommend it.